mga ingredients and benefits ng ingredients, ayan. I-extend ko po yan ng 25 minutes para sa inyo, whether you like it or not. At aalis naman po ako ng 12 noon. Kaya bilisan nyo na po mag-check out. Menji, my loves, it's not unscented, although we claim that it's hypoallergenic and microbiome friendly because the scent is really mild. Makikita mo rin po sa mga reviews, mild po ang ating scent. The scent is Elizabeth Arden green tea, and green tea is mild scent. It's actually expensive. Pero dahil nga po, one of my favorite scent yan po yung linagay ni Happiness. Ang green tea din po is anti-lamok, no? Insect repellent siya. So when you use this, you don't have to use lotion kasi hindi naman po siya nakaka-dry. At the same time, para hindi po kayo kagatin ng lamok, wag na po kayo mag-lotion kasi yung lotion, may ibang scent po yan. 'Di ba? So pagka nag-lotion ka after mong